We're heading to get my brother's truck to go to a truck show tomorrow.
Look at how she walk when she walk to me. Look at how she talk when she talk to me. You think she fucking with you, but she fuck with me.
Got her loaded.
Hey, dude, your truck ain't even squatted because my truck's so far back. Great, my truck.
Is that gonna work?
Yeah, I'll stick my dick.
It better slip. The board slipped down over here, will you?
Oh shit. Is it touching? Ooh, it's touching your bumper.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna release it.
Hold on.
How to fix the trailer wiring.
Start of the show.
Alright guys, so this is a couple days after we filmed this. We had some troubles with the trailer wiring and fussed around with them for an hour probably, and then the brake lights were working and the brakes, but the markers, the tail lights weren't working as it was just running there, I guess. So we got that fixed and then got up the next morning, headed up around like 10. Met my little brother halfway because he was getting on the egg. But anyway, we're gonna show some roller clips going up to the show, right? Show. This is my little brother's truck. So is that one. And so is this one. How come you didn't bring your Ranger? Big America. None of these trucks are good enough to look at. But come inside here. That's the show's truck. Cyborg.
Chip protection. That's vinyl line, dude. Yeah.
Vinyl line.
Hell yeah. Dave! You did it when I wasn't here, you dumbass!
Hey, does this headlight pop back in?
Hey, do the other side now, come on! You gotta make it even! Yeah, what he said!
There's screws on the inside.
Those some big ass. Well, guys, I had to leave the show early. Family business going on here, so that was a good time. Stay tuned.